Queens is the second most populated borough in New York City. Behind only Brooklyn, Queens has a population of roughly 2.3 million people. However, Queens does have the unfortunate distinction of having the highest average number of car accidents each year. There are more than 15,000 people treated annually for car accident-related injuries. If you've had the misfortune of being in a car accident, make sure you take the proper steps and precautions to ensure that you end up with fair compensation for your damages and injuries. Be sure to talk with an experienced Queens car accident attorney. Here at Cellino Law, we handle hundreds of auto accident cases every year. If you're still unsure if hiring an attorney is the right thing for your case, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer a risk-free consultation so that speaking with one of our qualified lawyers will cost you nothing out of pocket. We're available 24/7, so please feel free to contact us at any time with any questions or concerns. Cellino Law. Trust, experience, success.